we're about to make some shirts, and this is going to be awesome. Live from making shirts, because that's where the electricity is. I had to go down the street to go borrow the iron, and I'm gonna make some do-rags. I got some do-rags. A lot of people were asking me about the pink do-rags, putting some logos on them ASAP. I'm a genius. This is gonna be super dope. Basically, it's the sleeves off of Lori's tank top that she cut herself. Where's your tank top? She took it off. And we're gonna make some skully caps, you know what I mean? So yeah, let's flip this around. Let's get this going, shall we? Mm-hmm. Yeah. So make some